Now let us discuss the questions of assignment of chapter 1. Now, first question is, why is first mid-millennium BCE considered as a turning point in world history? The answer will be emergence of thinkers like Zarathustra in Iran, Zhuangzi in China, Socrates, Plato, and Aristotle in Greece, Mahavir and Gautam Buddha in India. And because of these thinkers, the mid millennium BCE is considered as a turning point in world history. The second question, when was Rig Veda compiled? The answer will be the Rig Veda was compiled between circa 1500 BCE to 100 BCE. Third question, how were sacrifices performed during circa 1000 BCE to 500 BCE onwards? The answer will be the sacrifices were performed during circa 1000 BCE to 500 BCE onwards by the heads of households for well-being of domestic units. Now, explanation. आपने सेकेंड चैप्टर में पढ़ा था कि the households were known as Gehpati. So these sacrifices were performed by Gehpatis for the well-being of domestic units. Okay. Now the next question, that is question number 4. Name 2 sacrifices which were performed during circa 1000 BCE to 500 BCE. Sacrifices means yajna. The two main sacrifices which were performed during circa 1000 BCE to 500 BCE were Rajsurya Yajna or sacrifice and Ashwamedh sacrifice or Yajna. So, only 2 words you have to write, that is Rajsurya and Ashwamedh sacrifices. Question number 5. How many sects or schools of thoughts were prevalent during 600 BCE onwards? There were 64 schools of thoughts or sects prevalent during 600 BCE onwards. Now explanation. आपसे पूछा जा रहा है कि 600 ईसा पूर्व के दौरान भारत में कितने दार्शनिक विचारधाराएं थी. दार्शनिक विचारधाराएं मीन्स स्कूल्स ऑफ थॉट्स या दूसरा टर्म है सेक्ट्स. सेक्ट अथवा जो स्कूल्स ऑफ थॉट्स थी हमारे पूरे भारत में लगभग 64 या 64 स्कूल्स ऑफ थॉट्स थी और ये आपस में फिलोसॉफिकल डिबेट करते थे. एंड दिस डिबेट वाज फॉर द जस्ट टू नो who is the ultimate authority of this world, what is the use of human being, और जो इस ह्यूमन बीइंग के अंदर जो एक जीवित प्राण रहता है, अलाइव जो एक कॉन्साइंस है, वो किससे रिलेटेड है. सो दीज टाइप ऑफ फिलोसॉफिकल थॉट्स वर डिस्कस्ड. So this is an explanation only, but your answer will be 64 schools of thoughts were there. Now we will take up the next question, that is question number 6. What do you understand by term Kutharshala? Our answer will be Kutharshalas were pointed huts. Now explanation. To understand the term Kutharshala, Kutharshalas were actually these were pointed huts होती थी जिसमें कि जो ये टीचर्स होते थे जो डिफरेंट स्कूल्स ऑफ थॉट्स को बिलोंग करते थे वो यहाँ पर बैठ करके अपने फिलोसॉफिकल थॉट्स का डिस्कशन करते थे और एक दूसरे को अपनी वैलिडिटी ऑफ फिलोसफी बताने की कोशिश करते थे. यानी कि तर्क वितर्क करते थे और अपने विचारों को अपने विचारों से दूसरों को प्रभावित करने का प्रयास करते थे. So the answer is very much clear to you. The answer is, what do you understand by the term Kutharshala? Your answer will be huts or pointed huts, and rest is explanation. Now question number 7, what was use of Kutharshala? As I have already explained you, the answer will be Kutharshalas were pointed huts, a place where the debates of teachers who tried to convince one another about validity of their philosophy. Question number 8. Explain term Tirthankara. Tirthankaras were the teachers of Jainism. Now explanation. Tirthankara is a term used in Jainism. This term denotes, या इसका मीनिंग है कि तीर्थंकर जैन धर्म के शिक्षक थे या टीचर्स ऑफ जैनिज्म. These Tirthankaras tried to guide men and women to sail across the river of existence or the physical world. यानी जो ये संसार है, जो भव सागर है, जिसमें मनुष्य माया मोह में जकड़ा रहता है, इससे बाहर निकलने के लिए, मोक्ष प्राप्त करने के लिए, सैल्वेशन प्राप्त करने के लिए ये तीर्थंकरास उन्हें गाइड करते थे, उन्हें टीच करते थे कि कैसे इस संसार से बाहर निकला जा सकता है. नाउ हु वॉज 23rd तीर्थंकरा? नेम हिम. Our answer will be Mahavira was 23rd Tirthankara. Explanation. हमेशा याद रखिएगा कि जैनिज्म के फाउंडर के बारे में क्लैरिटी नहीं है. गलती से कई बार बच्चे लिख देते हैं कि जैनिज्म के फाउंडर या उसके संस्थापक जो हैं महावीर थे. ये आपका आंसर गलत होगा. आप हमेशा लिखिएगा कि तीर्थंकरा 23rd Tirthankara was Mahavira. Okay. So who was 23rd Tirthankara? The 23rd Tirthankara was Mahavir of Jainism. Now question number 10. Write one main or central teaching of Jainism. Answer. The central teaching of Jainism is, or that is, the entire world is animated. यानी पूरा विश्व प्राणवान है. इस पूरे विश्व में जितनी भी वस्तुएं हैं, जितने भी ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं, सब में लाइफ है. Now I am repeating my answer. The entire world is animated or alive, and every stones and rocks and water have life. I hope it is clear. Thank you.